we are around at Orvil and Sue's birthday. And we're on the bouncy trampoline. And there's Ella in front of the fountain. Ella? Ella? Yes. And is that your new bicycle?
Yeah.
That's even bigger than the other one.
Ella, do you want to have a go on this? Jumping? Yes. Let's have a go.
We'll probably have to take our shoes off.
We might have to take our shoes.
I think you're a bit small, aren't we? I think we're a bit small.
You want to try?
Hello.
Shoes off.
Can you just remember that this is my lawn, not
Yeah,
your
well,
lawn?
that's your sliding tack, well, the sliding jump.
Like you've got you, baby.
Ask for that special strength grass. Especially hard wearing Wembley turf.
Something like that. It is the hardware, well, supposedly the hardware is stuff.
Be careful, Chris, don't come around with you.
There you go, John. There you go. It's a bit cold.
She's got that hat on.
Yes, Terri! Come on, Terri!
Can't get round anyway. I've just got an umbrella in the way.
The energy of youth, I think they call it.
I think he's a bit happy with that hat on.
I drive down, I have my drink, and someone takes me on a walk. No. Yeah, or I'm walking. Well, sorry, not walking.
Going up to
Yes, so you're okay with that tomorrow, yeah?
You know where he's moving to, Bill? Chingford Road.
Oh, that's a long way away. That's a long way away.
Did it on purpose, or did you just happen to be the house that you saw?
She's up there, plus in the end. Because in Chingford, it's down, look at that. Up there, there's no cinema, there's no this, there's no that.
That's what it's Chingford.
So in the end, it's like, you all pick where you want to go, I don't want to know anymore.
They're near the station and they're near the buses, so they can get wherever they want to go.
I think we got to the point where I really think you were down here with work. Just, if you want to move. We've sold the house, we're going to be homeless. And I work in Sheffield somewhere because I'm just going to go up to the office and say,
Come on, Ella, push.
The old house.
Push.
either. Anyone who pushes a wheelbarrow like that's empty, I can find work for.
It's supposed to be full of bricks, Ella.
So just before they all go off to France? Yeah.
Or is it?
That's really good, so it's going to need 2 days before you get it. But, yeah, you can get organised when you get there, yeah.
No, I couldn't wait. The guy was saying that we
Or are we in training for doing the lines at Wimbledon this year? Is that nice?
That's 22 by 15, I think. When they shoot the brain cells, they just left a few
Does anybody
here and
want
there.
any birthday cake or marzipan cake or whatever it is?
What, you're not cutting it now, are you, Sue?
It's cut.
When?
Just now.
Oh, you old battle axe. Just because you're old, we can still sing happy birthday to you. I know, you was worried about the fire warning with all them candles.
I know, we're giving you the bumps yet. Get the blanket out. Get the blanket out.
I know what it is, fire hazard in Chingford. All those candles.
At school we used to do them in the blanket. Because you can get 50 people in a blanket. Boy, they used to go up 2 stories. Not just one lot.
We had a problem with people doing that at 9 Elms, and the woman ended up with 170 grand. So
So young. I'm finished.
You just want to explore, don't you, Alamana?
Hey, that's good.
Sit down.
sit up now.
What's the trouble, Mum?
I don't know. Something like Dex.
Ella? What is the problem?
Tishy one.
Dogs!